Hi, welcome to the second part of areas and line figure of a mensuration chapter. So here in last class we discussed about how to find the area of a triangle, and today's class also we are going to discuss about the areas of triangle and perimeter of triangle. And moreover that last class we used to Aaron's formula to find area and perimeter also. So in this today's class, in a triangle ABC is a triangle AB is equal to AC 4 centimeter, angle A is equal to 90 degree. So they are given AB 4 centimeter, AC 4 centimeter. We have to find the length also. First we have to find area of triangle ABC. What is area of triangle ABC of right angle triangle? Of into 90 degree included sides. So here 90 degree included sides means AB and AC. That is AB into AC of into 4 into 4 to 1s are to 2s are, that is 8 centimeter square. What is the area? So that is area of triangle ABC is equal to 8 centimeter square. So in triangle ABC, apply Pythagoras theorem for finding BC square. BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. So 4 square plus 4 square, 16 plus 16, 32. If you want to find BC, 16 into 2, what is the square root of 16? 2. BC value is 4 root 2. Next we have to find area of triangle ABC is equal to half into perpendicular from BC is the base. BC is the base and AD is the height. We have to find length of perpendicular. We have to find AD length. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 8 half into BC. Value we find out 4 root 2. To 1s are to 2s are, that is AD is equal to 8 divided by 2 root 2 to 1s are to 4s are, that is 4 divided by root 2. Rationalizing root 2 by root 2, 4 into root 2 divided by 2 to 1s are to 2s are, that is answer is 2 root 2. If you want to change in decimal point means root 2 value is 1.414 multiplied 2.824. Answer is 2.824 centimeter. That is AD is length from base to 90 degree vertex. So next we have to find an equilateral triangle. The area of an equilateral triangle is 36 root 3 square centimeter. Find its perimeter. What is the formula of area of triangle of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by side square. So area they are given 36 root 3 so side square is equal to 36 root 3 divided by root 3. For root 3 can cancel. For 144, that is side value is 12 centimeter. If side value is 12 centimeter means what is the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 3 into side. For equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. That's why if you multiply by 3, you will get the perimeter. 3 into 12, that is 36 centimeter. 36 centimeter. So in the next problem, find the area of an isosceles triangle with perimeter 36 centimeter and base 16 centimeter. Base is 16 centimeter. So, if they are given area of triangle ABC, this is the base, that is 16 centimeter. These two are equal side. First we have to, they are given perimeter is equal to 36. That is, you can consider these two equal side, x plus 16 plus 36, 2x plus 16 plus 36, 2x is equal to 36 minus 16, 2x is equal to 20, x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 centimeter. That is two equal sides length of 10, 10. Again, if you want to go Arrhenius formula to find the area of triangle, or you can go by Arrhenius formula, or directly you can go by the formula, direct formula. Half into base into 4 into a square minus b square. So whether a length is, a value is 10, b value is 16, they are given. That is half into b 16 into root 4. A square means what? 10 square. B square means 16 square. So half into 16 into root 10 square means 100. 100 into 4, 400 minus 16 square. 16 into 16, how much? 16 6 are 96. 6 9. $256 half into 16 into 400. If you subtract 256 means you will get 144. 2 1s are 2 8s are 8 4s are 32. 2 8 4s are 32. 3 5 3 11 centimeter square. 1100 1180. Otherwise you can go for Arrhenius formula. We'll check first in Arrhenius formula. Area of triangle root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s value, we have to find the s value. 10 plus 16 divided by 2, that is 36 divided by 2, 18. 18 minus 10, 18 minus 10, 18 minus 16, 18, 8, 8, 2. So that is root of 2 9s are 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3. 1 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48 centimeter square. So like this you can find the area of triangle of isosceles triangle. Next we will move to another problem. Find the area and the perimeter of a quadrilateral ABCD given below if AB is equal to 8 centimeter, AD is equal to 10 centimeter, BD is equal to 12 centimeter, DC is equal to 13 centimeter and DBC is equal to 90 degree. They are given AD 10, BD 'Next AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Next BD 12, DC they are given 13 centimeter. DBC is equal to 90 degree. Here we have to find the area and perimeter of the quadrilateral. First we have to find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, you have to add area of triangle ADB plus area of triangle BDC. If you add these two triangle areas, then you will get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So, for finding that, you can find here in triangle DBC. So, you can DC square is equal to DB square plus BC square. So, DC square is equal to 13 square, 12 square plus BC square, 169 minus 144, 25. BC is equal to 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. Then you can easily find out the answer. So in triangle ADB, S is equal to 10 plus 12 plus 8 divided by 2. That is 30 by 2 is 15. So you can divide. You can find S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C plus half into BDC is 90 degree right angle triangle, means you can multiply the product of 90 degree angle including sides, that is BD into BC. So here S, here S is the 15, 15 minus 10, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 8, half into BD, 12 into 5, So I'm doing together, so better you can understand what is going on there. So 15 means here, 15, 10 milligrams means 5, 15, 12 milligrams means 3, 15, 8 milligrams means 7, 2 ones are 2 6 are, that is 30 centimeter square. So here 3 into 5 are 15. So you can take 3, 1 3 and 1 5 into root 7 plus 30, 15 into root 7, value is 2.645, 645, 30, here you are getting, if you multiply 39.675, 30, you are getting 69.675 centimeter square area. If you want perimeter means perimeter of quadrilateral is equal to, add all the sides of quadrilateral, AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. AB is equal to 8 plus 5 plus 13 plus 10. 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 13, 26 plus 36 centimeter. Like this we are going to solve the problems. So sitting home, many problems are there in your textbook exercise 28. Please solve it.